Got a little bit of mail to go through. Hang in there. We'll be right back. Hey folks, it's Papa. Papa Texas. That's right. I'm here all week. Yeah. Let's get back to that mail call. Hit that bell. Alright, now that we got that out of the way for you. This first one comes from Pappy's Corner. I've been connected to Pappy's Corner for a long time. Bettendorf, Iowa. And we're going to go with that. And he sent me a new business card. I already got some of those. And there's my Pappy's Corner to go on my new board. I have them on my old board. He goes in the corner. So does Calvin's Corner when he sends me one. Ah, he sent Maddie one too. How about that? No lie. Hang on. See? Maddie and I both got one. She's going to love that. Thank you, Pappy. And one for Maddie. Nice new board you have going on. Love your channel, Papa Texas rules. Do something nice for someone today. He says that in his videos at the end. Oh, she gets a business card too. All right, Pappy. Now, I'm going to tell y'all something about Pappy. So, he does DIY fixes and just little projects and things like that. But he also does tools and items reviews. So, I have gone and purchased things he shows. The most recent one, Pappy, I hope you're listening to me. He showed a remote control or a keypad for your garage door opener, and it fits LiftMaster, and that's what I have. So ours kind of crapped out on us, so it just sits there. I need to throw it away. This one's wireless, just has a little battery, and I thought, okay, yeah, I'll get that. Fits LiftMaster. I get it. It would not connect to my LiftMaster. What was wrong? It only works with the yellow button on the back, yellow dot. Mine was orange. I was like, well, what? So I go on there and I look, and there's another one that has like 5 colors, and one of them's orange. I returned the other one. I didn't know it was that easy to return something to Amazon. That was freaking easy. They paid me back, and I went and I bought the orange one. It gets delivered on the 14th of September. I'm excited. Anyway, that's what we got. And one of the reasons I'm doing that is Gigi, Maddie, and Aubrey were here. I think it was a Monday. And they were swimming in the pool. Maddie ran inside and did something. When she came out, she accidentally turned the little thumb thing, and she locked them out of the house. Gigi's phone, keys, everything was inside the house. So they just come out here. Of course, I got a refrigerator out here, so they had water, but they had no food. It was about 5 hours till I got home from work. Anyway, I guess my point is, if the keypad would have worked at that point in time, she just could have walked around the front, put in that code. Of course, you know my code's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. I always use that easy code. And then, no, they could have just gone inside the house. That's right. That's right. Have I been talking long enough about Pappy and my LiftMaster? Yeah, let's move on. Go check out Pappy's Corner if you like some of that stuff. He's got some good information. We'll put it that away. Okay, next. This one here's my Cajun buddy. I got a few of them, but this one here is Boo Laquette in Eunice, Louisiana. Now, I can't understand everything he says. He calls me on the phone, and he talks Cajun, y'all, 90 miles an hour. I have to stop him and say, can you repeat that? I am deaf, but I'm also really Cajun deaf, okay? So, you know, you get up to Billy up in Shreveport. He's like East Texas, you know, and he's similar to Papa. Sorry, Billy, I didn't mean to. But when you go down south, oh my gosh, Chad's down there. I can understand him. But Boo is into. He's also got a channel, Cajun Coin Hunter, and on that channel they go live and I trade coins and stuff like that. And he's into small engines and things like that. He's a good person to be connected to. if I have a small engine question or something like that, I either go to Steve Robb or I go to Boo. I could also go to Badge, but I do that more with the vehicles. I can go to Steve Robb on the vehicles too. Before we open up what he gave me, I will be making a trip down to see my Cajun buddies down there, and I think I'm picking Billy up on the way. We're going to go to Chad's house, and Boo's going to come over, Big Lou's going to come over, our new barbecue, our new Cajun barbecue, however you say it, Cajun Our New Barbecue is coming over, and we're going to have a crawfish boil. They're gonna cook up all this Cajun food for me and Billy, East Texas, to eat, and it's gonna be an awesome hangout with them. Okay, spent enough time on him now, didn't I? Let's see what he gave us. Well, oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at that. That's a lot of stickers. What does he want on every one of my boards? I got 3 and Maddie's got 2 rolling. Wow. Cajun Coin Hunter. That's pretty cool. I was telling him the other day, oh my gosh, he gave me some pennies. Oh wow. And you know what? I got a book in there that one of my employees gave me. It's a coin collecting book because I've been collecting coins, and soon I'm going to come up and tell y'all how I do it, because I just got a penny not too long ago from the way that I search, and it's a wheat penny. It was 1934D, I believe, and guess what? It's worth 26 bucks. Just that one. I'm getting Canada money, I'm getting Mexico, and I'm getting stuff from overseas and all kinds of stuff. Doing it the way that I do it on my search. That's coming soon. Here's a few stickers for y'all. Give the rest away in your gauze, or it's up to you to decide. Also, I have included 3 1956D wheat pennies, but condition and they were taken out of a federal bank roll. They've never seen the daylight till I took them out of the roll. That is awesome. Take care, mon ami Boo, aka Cajun. P.S. I never scoped these. They could have errors, meaning worth way more than they are now. There's what he gave me. I'll check that out on my own, because I'm making this video so long. Y'all go check Boo out. Tell him Papa Texas sent you. Coins, man. You gotta love coins. You gotta love free money now, don't you? That's right. And you know what? Since I'm taking forever making this video, there's a lot of people. They go and they'll go to the bank or somewhere, and they'll get like $500 worth of rolled coins. And they come home, they unroll them, they go through them all. They keep the ones that are worth more than that penny or 25 cents, nickel, whatever they're looking at. And then they roll all the others back up, and they take them back and get their money back. But the ones they keep are worth more than that penny or whatever they paid for that. And that's pretty cool. It's pretty time consuming though. But anyway, let's move on. I got one more. This one here is from John S. Now, one thing about John S., he's a New Yorker. That's right. And let's see what he's given Papa. What is this? Knights of Columbus, Council 197, Linden Boulevard, Ozone Park, New York. Enclosed, find 2 chance booklets easily sold amongst family and friends that will be appreciated, furthering many goodwill causes. Booklets have 6 tickets to be sold at $10 per book. We only sent 2 booklets not to place selling burdens on anyone, whereas additional booklets can be furnished upon request. Please do your best to sell booklets that will benefit many. Often few remain anonymous. Let's see what we got. Oh, here's the booklets. Yeah. Knights of America. Okay, so if anybody wants to buy one of these two booklets, we're gonna go in and see. We're gonna go in and see what's in a booklet. I mean, I'm not even want to buy one, so we gotta hold on. New York State Council Knights of 2020. Oh, grand prize is $25,000. Second prize $10,000. Third prize $5,000. There's $1,000 winners, stuff like that. Each one. It's getting a little. Donation $2. Does it say when it's got to be done by? Because this says 2020. Here's everybody that it helps out. If you can read that, you might have to pause it and zoom in. CMB asked me. So I'm going to tell you what, John S., if this is still good, I'll just go ahead and I'll send, there's two of them, I'll send $20 and I'll sign each one of these and I'll mail them in. If I know where to mail them to. Final drawing will be held Saturday, December 5th, 2020. It's over. Tell you what, John, I failed on this one, didn't I? Have I really had this that long? October 2020. I didn't know I was holding it that long. I am so sorry. So I'll tell you what I'll do. You send me 2 of these this year for the next one, and I will send in the $20, sign them all. You just let me know where to mail them to, and I apologize for that, and we'll get to that. A New Yorker, however you do that stuff. That's what Papa has for you today. It's Papa Texas. You'll have an awesome rest of the week. We will see you Sunday for a new cook. Yeah. See you.